So according to this person, which we are following is offer today, or which we are following the video which you created, and as you know, this is I tried it series. So according to this particular offer, we are supposed to earn at least $12 by watching video adverts. So it's like you are going on YouTube. When you go on YouTube, you see some videos, and then by the time you open the videos, you see adverts playing. Then this is something like this. I'm not saying it's exactly like this, but this is something like this. But we are going to see how this person did it step by step. This person actually explained how we are supposed to do it, and I'm going to be following everything step by step, one after the other. And according to him, we are supposed to make at least $700 at the end of the day. Okay, we will not try to make $700, but if it's possible, I'm going to try to do it. But let's just try the first step and see what how much we are really going to make. Let's listen to him and let's see what he has to say.
$100 in extra income every single month, and all it takes is just 30 to 45 minutes of work per day to earn this money. Literally anyone can do this, and withdrawing your money from the website is also really easy. I'm even going to withdraw $100 live on this video, so you can see that of course this app is real and it will pay you out if you are active enough on your account. So you can cash out with any payment option of your choice. They've got gift cards and also
and yeah, you are going to be seeing everything on my screen as I'm doing it, and then we will decide if we can actually make up to this amount at the end of the day. So the next screen you're going to be seeing right now is my PC. So I believe you can see my session. The name of the website is grab point, and then we can see the surveys. They have surveys also, but remember we are focusing on video today. We are only focusing on watching videos. Yeah, so grab point, and then you can also play some games. They have some offer word here, and then you can see this particular one here say if you want to watch videos, this is also video. Lots Able, this is for videos. Lots TV, this is also for video, so you can earn by watching videos. So that's the one we are going to be focusing on. That's the one we are going to be focusing on. So the first thing we need to do is to register, which I've already done here. I've already registered. You can see everything here. I have registered, so you need to register also. And if you see top here, you see that I already have 570 points. So how did I get this 570 points? If you click on it, you see the history. I got it. So I got 20 points just by completing my profile, and I actually did a survey. Just to try, and then I got 500 points, and then I verified my email, which I get 50 points, and that was how I was able to accumulate 570 points. So let's go to our actual our task for the day, which is by going to the home page, and then according to we go to the home page, and then we are supposed to watch videos. So we can pick from any of these actually, and if we watch from any of these particular one, if we watch from them, then we'll be able to convert what we earn there. We are going to convert these 2 points. So I'm going to be picking this one. I've already tried this one. I tried it, and when I actually tried it, when you click on it, it goes to a new website. It opens through a new website, and then you will see the videos that are available for watch. They have a lot of videos, and then you can actually click on them. So let's say we click on this particular one, and then it's going to bring the videos to your screen. To bring the video to your screen just like this, and then you can watch the video. As you can see, I have watched some videos, and then so you can, the good thing about it is you can actually leave it and then watch, but you can't go from the particular speed. Like you can't leave this tab and go to another tab. Once you leave this tab and then goes to another tab, it will actually stop playing the videos. But you can just leave it on this tab, then keep doing your activities at home and just let it keep running, and then see, and the points are going to be accumulating, which is what I did. I did this almost I think almost 1 hour, and I was able to get this particular point. But here comes the problem. Here comes the first problem. So the first problem was that after I accumulated this point, I actually click on redeem, and then they told me I need to register on this website also. So I registered on the website. After registering on the website, so I got this point when I click on redeem. So now this particular website, which is called i.tv, this one, if you remember, we click from here, and then either TV, they need to transfer my points to this grab point. So if you see linked account, so we need to link our grab point account. So and when we click on link new account, we see the options, and then we can select grab point. When you scroll down, keep scrolling, scroll G. Where is G? I think I've passed G already. So grab points, that's grab point. We select grab point, and then it will tell us to sign in. So once we sign in, which I did. I click on sign in, it opens the grab point page. It opens the grab point page, and then I go back to this website. According to them, we need to refresh. Choose a loyalty reward on this link, and when you redeemed your any point, you can send your accumulated total to any account you linked. So according to them, we need to use the button to sign into your account. After you have signed it, return and refresh this page. So when you click on return, after you click on signing, it opens the grab point, and then you come back here, you click on refresh. By the time you click on refresh, I'm trying to rush this video. By the time you click on refresh, you will still see that grab point is not still listed here among your link accounts. You only have this free crypto reward either. That's the only one there. And then when you click on start redeeming your process here, select an option, you see grab point is not here. I've tried it several times. I can't still put in grab points, meaning I have wasted my time, and I can't even transfer my 45 points to my grab point. That is a wasted one. So that was the one I tried with this one, this particular one here, this pixel point. I tried it with this one, and that didn't actually work as well. So I have 49 points that I can't even redeem. I can't redeem this 49 points. So the next thing I did, so I'm going to close this tab so we don't have too many tabs. So the next thing I did, I actually tried another one. Okay, since we have videos here, a lot of videos, I can't here. I tried another one. I think I tried Notably also. I think I tried them, but they were not good enough. They were asking so many questions. It's just like a survey. They were not bringing the actual video which I actually wanted. So you see, you have video here. Okay, I tried them, and then we have videos here, and then you have these videos which you can actually watch, and then when you click on watch video, it opens the video, and it also start playing the video. And all you just have to do is keep watching the video. Now this is one thing, I think this one actually makes a little bit of sense. So after watching this video, you will see here, if you watch for 1 hour, you get 5 gems. If you watch for 2 hours, you get another 5 gems, making it 10 gems. If you watch for 3 hours, you watch another. So what I did, I opened it in the background as usual, and I continued doing my stuff, keeps playing the video and playing some hearts in between the videos, and then I was doing it for 2 hours, so I accumulated 10 gems. So I'm going to be doing it live right now. Let's try to redeem our gem. So let's do it redeem. So when we click on redeem, you see I already accumulated 10 gems, I don't know, whatever. So click on redeem. So you see for this one was good because it automatically recognized grab points as where I want to transfer my points. So when I click on redeem, I click no account selected, and then I click my grab point, and then it's my 10 gems or whatever it is was accumulated to 7.5 points. 7.5 points. So let's just click, let's see, redeem. So I click on redeem, 7.5 points. And it said continue watching. It said, whoa, you have successfully redeemed 10 LT TV points to grab points. So I've transferred from my Loot TV to my grab point. So it tells me to continue watching, so for me to get, so they have a lot of videos which you can watch. This one is actually good. You can keep watching and see I have this notification here that I already you have transferred this particular. So let's go to my grab point and then see if this actually reflects. Okay, let's see, let's refresh. You know, I was having 570 before, and now I'm having 577 after almost 3 hours. 577 points after almost 3 hours. Remember, we are supposed to earn $12 per one ad. I've watched more than, I don't know, more than 20 ads while I was watching any of these videos here. So you see, I still have one still playing here, and I'm supposed to, in 3 hours, I'm going to be having 10 gems, and these 10 gems are going to be maybe 10 they're going to be maybe 10 points. So if we transfer these 10 points back to our points here, our grab points here, it's still not up to everything. And if we go to the rewards here, so how do we actually want to make the money? If we go to the rewards here, we are actually want to get the money through paper. And when we click on paper to see what we actually, the offer we can get, you see 1,000 points is equal to $1, 2,000 points is equal to $2. So the question is, at least for us to get good money, I said we wanted to get $400 to $500 at the end of the day. We need to get 100,000 points. So watching videos might actually not get us the 100,000 points. Watching videos will not get us the 100,000 points, which we actually wanted. So it's not going to get us the 100,000 points. So you might need to do some surveys more for you to get to this point. But if you keep watching the videos, maybe the next thing is to try to watch it for 24 hours straight and leave the PC and let the video continue playing in the background and see how many points I'm going to accumulate. But at least our goal of getting so amount, $12 per one ad, does not actually work. So if you see this particular video which I've just tried, I just ignore it because this doesn't work. This does not work. So another failed one. Hopefully we'll get another better one next time. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you want to see more video like this. Also comment in the comment section if you have a video or if you have a particular channel which you want me to try out what you're talking about. Comment them in the comment section. I'm going to be heading to their channel, and I'm going to be picking out their video, and I'm going to be trying them out even before you do. My name is Akere. As you know, hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share with someone. And of course, I will catch you in the next one. Bye for now.